Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 fuel pump issues and the potential problems associated with them. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Fuel pump issues in the Ford F-150 are commonly described as difficulty starting, engine sputtering, loss of power under acceleration, hesitation at higher speeds, or the engine stalling unexpectedly. Verified owner reports and service information show that fuel pump-related concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on fuel system design, mileage, and operating conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves fuel pump wear or failure. Over time, internal pump components can degrade, reducing fuel pressure and flow. This can lead to hard starting, poor acceleration, or stalling, especially under load or during highway driving. Another confirmed cause relates to fuel pump electrical supply issues. Faulty relays, wiring problems, or poor electrical connections can interrupt power to the pump, causing intermittent operation or complete fuel delivery loss. Fuel contamination is also a documented factor. Dirt, debris, or water in the fuel tank can strain the pump and restrict fuel flow, contributing to premature pump wear or inconsistent performance. Fuel filter or fuel delivery restrictions have also been reported in applicable configurations. Restricted fuel flow can increase pump workload and reduce pressure reaching the engine, leading to drivability issues. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include fuel tank ventilation issues, software-related fuel control behavior, or sensor-related input affecting fuel delivery commands. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include testing fuel pressure, inspecting electrical connections and relays, checking for contamination in the fuel system, replacing the fuel pump when failure is confirmed, and addressing any related fuel delivery components. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford F-150 fuel pump issues are resolved through pump replacement or electrical repair rather than engine-related repairs. However, experiences vary by model year, fuel system configuration, and driving conditions. In conclusion, Ford F-150 fuel pump issues are typically linked to pump wear, electrical supply interruptions, or fuel contamination. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.